The imperative of a Constantine-style war reset. Given this precipitous decline and Islam's predatory advance, only a warlike resurgence, modeled on Constantine's 313 AD transformation, offers a viable reversal. Historically, war has been Christianity's crucible. Constantine's vision unified a faltering faith. The Crusades rallied a disjointed Europe under Pope Urban II's call, and the Reconquista expelled a rival after centuries of struggle. In 2025, Christian-majority nations retain a military edge. Combined U.S. and NATO defense budgets exceed $900 billion, dwarfing Muslim states' $200 billion, while numbers still favor slightly. 2 billion Christians versus 1.9 billion Muslims in 2020, though demographic trends portend parity by 2050. A war mentality could harness Christianity's non-standard standard, its chaotic diversity, as a strength, uniting believers and secular allies under a shared threat. Islam as a predator force, a visceral rallying cry rooted in real incidents in Cologne and Sweden and magnified by perception. This unity need not align races, whites, blacks, Latinos, but could transcend them, focusing on survival against an external predator. War would filter the faithful, the gay Christians, soft ministers preaching inclusivity, woke congregants chasing trends, would flee while real men rise, echoing the warrior monks of the Teutonic Order or the conquistadors of old. The cross, once a symbol of sacrifice, must again become a sword. Simultaneously, disrupting Islam's unity amplifies this strategy. Widening Sunni-Shia rifts, Iran-Shia axis versus Saudi-Sunni dominance, offers a fault line, as do proxy conflicts in Yemen and Lebanon. Promoting secularism, as Mustafa Kemal Ataturk achieved in Turkey in the 1920s, could erode religious fervor, while seeding doubt, highlighting Quranic textual variants like Hafs versus Warsh or Hadith disputes, might fracture its intellectual cohesion, mirroring Christianity's Reformation splintering. These measures, paired with a warlike Christian resurgence, could level the field. Yet, formidable obstacles loom. Western publics, lulled by comfort. Netflix subscriptions outnumber church memberships. Resist mobilization. A 2023 survey found only 15% of Americans support military intervention abroad. Governments and militaries perceived as gay, encumbered by bureaucratic red tape and progressive optics like U.S. military diversity campaigns, lack the crusading zeal of Constantine's legions. Russia, an orthodox outlier, flexes muscle in Chechnya and Ukraine, but NATO allies falter under legal and cultural constraints. Trust in Christian leaders, fractured by denominational rivalries between Baptists and Methodists and opportunism like televangelist scandals, remains elusive, the ecumenical dream a hollow shell. A tipping point is requisite, a visceral atrocity, coordinated church massacres across Europe, or a demographic milestone. Muslims reaching 20% in key nations could ignite the spark. A divine sign, akin to Constantine's cross, might rally the faithful, though 2025's skepticism amplified by ex-fact-checkers renders even miracles suspect. Absent this, the moment may have passed. Christianity, submerged in its own gayness, awaits a cornered fight, its back against the wall with no exit but war.